Hey guys, Dr. G here. I just wanted to introduce myself as well as my clinic. So let's go take a tour and let's see where all the magic happens. When you come here, you'll be greeted by my patient coordinator. We'll talk to you, kind of introduce you to what we actually do here. We just don't do just cosmetic surgery or liposuction. We also do a lot of regenerative medicine treatments. We do a lot of skin tightening, both during surgery as well as non-invasively. And so there's a lot of things that we do here that can really help a person, not only aesthetically, but also physically. Follow me and let's kind of take this tour and look around. This is some of the accolades that I have received over the years doing cosmetic surgery, as well as anesthesia, pain management, and regenerative medicine. We have our regular office. This is our consultation room. This is where I kind of get to know the patient, kind of get to know you, what your issues are, and what you want treated. I see that's the most important thing. I spend usually about an hour trying to figure out what you actually want. You know, give you the body you want within the body you have. And regeneratively, we try to fix those areas or treat those areas within your body that give you a lot of problems. I actually went to medical school at the University of Texas in Houston and did a residency in anesthesia. As well, I did fellowship training with pain management and regenerative medicine. And then it also kind of segued me to cosmetic arena. And so I started doing a lot of liposuction. We have the EMS machine, so we can help tighten those muscles in areas that you may have. We have the Softwave machine. This is a newer machine that we got, totally non-invasive. It's not painful in any way, but it helps tighten that skin where areas that you're being treated. It's pretty awesome what it can do and how tight it can make your face as well as areas of your body. We have the larger body probe. In fact, we're the only clinic here in Scottsdale that have that probe. So that probe is strictly for the body to help tighten that skin in that area. Here we have our store's Shockwave machine. Now, Shockwave machine is very interesting treatment here. I utilize this in a lot of my regenerative medicine injections and treatments. Main reason why is because Shockwave, it is a little bit painful in certain areas, but it really stimulates your immune system to start healing the areas that you have an issue with. Maybe it's your knee, maybe it's your shoulder, pretty much any type of muscle. In that, I can utilize the Shockwave machine not only to aid in healing, but it's also stimulating any stem cells that you have, as well as stem cells that I may inject in those areas. Right here is our Apex Biology 1, and what this is strictly a PRP spinning machine, centrifuge that's kind of top of the line. This allows me to spin your blood to get more high concentrated platelet-rich plasma as well as platelet-rich fibrin. So all of these type of machines, although they're adjunct machines, they really can be utilized by themselves for various treatments. So that's something that I want people to understand. You know, you can get one or two treatments, but a lot of these, if you use them together, can really make your body what you want it, as well as make you as healthy as it can be. So come with me to my main room, and this room is where I do a lot of my liposuction. The nice thing is we do a majority of our treatments awake. I'm a certified anesthesiologist, so putting you to sleep, we will bring somebody in for that, just like any other anesthesia that you would get in the OR. But we really don't have to with certain liposuction treatments that we do. Right here, we have the Renuvion. The Renuvion, this is one of my favorite machines. The Renuvion is the only FDA-approved skin tightener directly after lipo. So what that means is when you have your lipo procedure, we immediately do Renuvion to tighten that skin. Now, it keeps working up to 9 months, but usually after the second and fourth month, your skin and your tissue will really tighten up and make those liposuction results that much better. And then of course I have my Molar Medical FiberSat machine. This is our liposuction machine. Pretty basic machine, nothing too crazy, but that's what I like about it. It is basic and it's easy to use, and it really works well with their handpiece. Their handpiece is a power assisted handpiece. Now we can do liposuction just strictly using my strength and my energy to pull that fat out along with the suction, but using the power assisted handpiece really helps with that. The most important, I would have to say, to make the high definition treatments that I usually do is with the Vaser machine. Ultrasonic technology that allows the probes to liquefy your fat. Now, it doesn't suck out your fat. Now, we have suction modules here that we can do that, but it's mainly to liquefy the fat and to give me the ability to suck out the fat with this machine, but all the while not causing so much trauma or damage. Now, sometimes everybody always wants results, but they have to understand results don't happen in a week or two. It usually takes months because you're going to be swollen, and it depends on what you have done. If it's a little bit of lipo, then obviously you're going to heal faster. If it's a whole lot, that I'm doing or utilizing all of these different machines that I showed you, it's gonna take a little bit while for the swelling to go down and for you to get the look that you want. All the while, you always have to wear your compression, drink a lot of water, eat a high protein diet, do the things that you need to do to have the best results that you can. The most important things is the type of stuff that we do here is this cutting edge stuff, especially when it comes to the regenerative medicine, as well as the liposuction. We use top of the line equipment. We can get the same results that you would get in an OR. Less money, but also much more safer. So I hope you've enjoyed this little tour. It gives you a kind of a peek into what we do here at True Contour Medical, and I would love to see you, so give us a call.